Morning children, and this is Rajlakshmi here, and today we are going to discuss about the chapter genetics part 3. Okay, before going to learn about Mendel's discovery and Mendel's rules, experiments, everything, we should know some definitions which play a major role in understanding the key concept of the chapter. So for that, we have already started. We learned about the life history of Gregor John Mendel, his achievements, as well as his aim, also his discovery, researches, and rather than that, we also learned about some definitions of related to the chapter. So some more definitions today we are going to learn, and the first one is here gene. Very important. So what is gene? Genes are the basic unit of inheritance. What is inheritance? The features that get transferred from parents to the offspring. So the feature these are transferred are nothing but the gene. That's why it is called as basic unit of inheritance. And where the genes are located? The genes are located on a chromosome. Do you know very well where the chromosomes are located? The chromosomes are located inside the cell. Okay, and you can see the green color marks. These green color marks are the different genes. This is one gene. These are the genes. Okay, children. So, and these genes are located in the DNA strand. So DNA recoils and coils to form chromatin fiber. Chromatin fiber condense to form chromosomes. So overall, where the gene is there present in the DNA. So gene is a small fragment of DNA. Gene is nothing but small fragment of DNA, okay, which is easily seen on the chromosome. Hence it is called as basic unit of inheritance located on a chromosome. Okay, now next one, alleles. What are alleles? Alleles are nothing but alternative forms of a gene. What is alternative? It's opposite, we say, like alternative, right? So here also, for example, eye color is the gene. Yesterday we discussed, last video we discussed about character and trait. Color of the flower is character, but pink and yellow flower are the trait. Similarly here also, the common feature, eye color is the gene. Different colors of eye such as black and brown are the allele. So what are alleles? Alternative form of the gene. Where are genes located? Genes are located on the chromosomes. Genes are the segments of DNA, and they are the basic unit of inheritance. Once again, what are genes, children? Gene is the basic unit of inheritance. They are present on the chromosome. Okay. Next, alternative forms of gene is called as allele. So genes and alleles are clear, I hope so. Next, we'll move to another definition called as phenotype. Pheno matlab physical. What is that? Physical or external. The type of behavior, the type of feature which can be seen through our eyes. For example, if a plant is short, it can be seen. If a plant is tall, it can be seen. Okay, you know, nowadays hybrid varieties are available. From the nursery, the plants are being brought. But you might have seen that small plants can produce nice beautiful flowers. Some can produce vegetables, some can produce fruits. So how this possible? So that is called as what is the hybrid techniques and all. Okay, but whatever is physically visible to us, that desirable features are called as phenotype. So the physical or external appearance of an organism is called as phenotype. For example, rat is brown in color, so brown color can be seen. If a man is short, this feature also can be seen. Next one, genotype. Excuse me. Genetic constitution of an organism means genes. What are other genes present in organism can't be seen. That's why that kind of features are called as genotype. Phenotype means which can be seen. Hair color, skin color, growth, height, tallness, dwarfness, eye color, everything. So all visible features in an organism is called as phenotype. The features which are hidden inside an organism but can't be seen, which are the genes which are present inside the body, in the cells of the body, those features are called as genotype. Hence, genetic constitution of an organism is called as genotype. Yes, children? Next we will move for another word, that is definition, monohybrid cross. A cross means a crossing between two plant with a single feature. Mono means one. Mono means one. Okay. So suppose if I'll take height of the plant. 1 minute, children. Suppose I'll take height of the plant. Height. Okay. So I selected one plant where, suppose P plant I have selected. Okay, some plants are tall and some plants are short. This is also P plant, this is also P plant. Yes, some P plants are tall and some P plants are short. So what does this describes? Height of the P plant. Okay, so crossing between a single pair of contrasting characters. So height is the character, but tallness and shortness are the different traits. So crossing between these two, what we have selected only one character, that is height. But in height again some are tall and some are short. So cross between these two is called as monohybrid cross. A cross that is for the production of hybrid plants. For the production of hybrid variety, we need to get cross. You might have heard that hybrid plant, that's the tomatoes. You see that the normal local tomatoes are very small and sour in taste, but the hybrid tomatoes are very large. Now it is guava also. You might have seen very big size guava, full of sweet with no seeds. Nowadays grapes are also available with no seeds, but actually grapes have seeds. Okay, so how these things are happening? These things are done by hybridized crossing. So here also height is a character of a pea plant. So there are so many pea plant, some are tall and some are short. So I selected only one, that's why mono. But among the one, in the one there are two types, tallness and shortness, right? Tall and dwarf. So some tall pea plants are crossed with the short pea plants. Both are common in feature in terms of height. This kind of cross is called as monohybrid cross. So a cross in which a single pair of contrasting character are done. Okay, a cross in which a single pair of contrasting characters are done. For example, flower color. So flower color is the character, but some pea plant may have purple color flower and some pea plant may have white color. So purple flower color is common. Okay, and selecting one, what is the feature we selected? Only flower color we selected. We did not select any other character. Okay, but again there is contrast in the character. What is that? Purple flower and white flower. So a cross between, okay, a cross in which a single pair of contrasting character is there, but there again contrasting features also there. So this kind of cross is called as monohybrid cross. Crossing of plants between the same character, taking only one character as a common. So that's why it is called as monohybrid cross. Thank you.